Hi, my name is Paul Harding with the law firm of Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti. So, gambling, right? You know we can do it in certain states without any qualification, but in most states there's something, right? We've got lotteries, we've got horse racing, and we've got these DraftKings, right? You can create your fantasy football team and trade players and win money and lose money in doing that. And so where does this all come down? Well, Governor Chris Christie out of New Jersey, and New Jersey has a statute right now, a law that they passed that is being appealed and been accepted by the Supreme Court of the United States. And they are attempting to overturn the 1992 law that says, hey, betting on sports in the United States is not allowed. So the court's going to look at this, and New Jersey wants this to be opened back up. They see there's a huge opportunity economically for them, and they're also pretty realistic. They recognize that there's over $1.5 billion a year illegally being gambled, and there's a lot of dangers, and you can't really control who's in charge of that money. So you have that going on, and of course the state doesn't receive any revenue. So ultimately, Governor Christie and the Supreme Court are going to square up to see if there's going to be some rule changes. And so I look at this and I thought to myself, well, DraftKings, boy, isn't that gambling? Well, no, the courts have found that is not a game of chance, but a game of skill. So when you're picking your players, well, I'm going to trade Antonio for William, and we're going to do that, and we think that's going to make a better team, and maybe you're right, and maybe you win, but that's how they're differentiating between the two. And I guess horse racing would qualify under that same set of facts. Lots of analysis being done versus just red or black, right? The spin of a dice or a spin of a wheel. So we'll see what happens, but I do think that if that case in the Supreme Court goes down a little bit differently, we will see lots of states jumping in and trying to figure out whether or not they too can enter this world, because there's a lot of money in it. Thank you. Paul Harding checking in.